Today, I'll show you how to create a ZipRecruiter profile. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a polished profile that helps employers quickly understand who you are, what you do, and what you're looking for. First, open your browser and go to the ZipRecruiter website for your region. In this example, we're using the Irish site, so we'll go to ziprecruiter.ie, but the layout is very similar across different countries. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're signed into your account. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and do that before moving on so you can access your profile settings. Once you're on the home page and signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a profile area usually shown as your name, your email, or a small profile icon. Click on that to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where you'll find all your personal account options, including your profile. From that drop-down, click on the option that says Manage Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can fill out or update all of your information. Think of this section as your online CV or resume within ZipRecruiter, so it's worth spending a few extra minutes to get everything right. On the profile page, start by entering your basic details: your first name, last name, your location, your phone number, and your professional headline. Your location helps match you with relevant roles near you or within your chosen area, and the phone number makes it easy for employers or recruiters to reach you when needed. For your professional headline, try to keep it short but specific, like senior marketing specialist or entry-level software developer, rather than something too general. This headline is often one of the first things employers see. Next, you'll be able to provide a short bio and upload your CV. In your bio, write a few sentences that summarize your experience, key skills, and the type of roles you're interested in. Keep it clear and professional, but let a bit of your personality show through. Then upload your CV file, usually as a PDF or Word document. Make sure the CV is up to date, well formatted, and free of spelling errors, because many employers will download and review this document directly. After that, set your location preferences. Here you can indicate where you're willing to work, such as specific cities, regions, or whether you're open to remote or hybrid positions. Being honest and realistic about your preferences helps ZipRecruiter show you jobs that truly fit your situation. You'll also see sections where you can add your online and social presence, along with additional skills. For online presence, include links that are relevant to your professional life, such as a portfolio site or a professional networking profile. In the skills area, list technologies, tools, languages, or other abilities that are directly related to the jobs you want. Further down, you can add your employment history, your education, and any certifications you've earned. For each job, include your role, the company, and your main responsibilities or achievements. For education and certifications, focus on what's most relevant to the roles you're targeting. When everything looks good, scroll to the bottom and click Update Profile. This saves all your changes and refreshes your profile so it's ready to be seen by potential employers. You can always come back later to refine or update your information as your experience grows.